This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by preparing the phone and jumping straight into settings. First, make sure your Samsung is charged and on Wi-Fi so updates won't interrupt. Open Settings and go to Apps or Device Care. This gets you to the app list immediately. Once there, locate the specific app that keeps closing, tap it to show permissions, battery, and forced stop options. Don't linger. This first step exposes the controls you'll change next to stop Android from auto-closing your apps. Now you'll adjust battery and optimization settings so Android won't kill the app in the background. Select battery within the app page and choose Allow Background Activity or Unrestricted. That prevents aggressive app sleeping. Next, disable adaptive battery if it targets your app, because it limits resources based on use predictions. Then check Power Saving and Sleeping Apps lists and remove the app from any blocked categories. Once done, the system will stop treating this app as expendable and background processes will remain running. Finish by ensuring the app has required permissions and auto start enabled so it can run reliably. Open permissions and allow what's essential, then look for auto start or background access toggles and enable them. If the app still crashes, clear cache and storage or reinstall to remove corrupted data. Restart the phone to apply all changes. If problems persist, one troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app causes closure. If it runs fine there, uninstall recent apps until the conflict is resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.